Welcome viewers. Just like in the last video, we had a similar question. So we are solving this one again in order to expand it more. By the time you watch the two videos, you'll be able to solve this type of questions when they come. Alright, let us dive in. Here we are given to solve square root of 81 minus square root of 80, all in the bigger square root. To simplify it, we have to calculator. Now, to start with, I have my solution written. See with me that the square root of 81 is the same thing as 9 raised to the power 2. Because 9 raised to the power 2 is 81. That is square root of 9 raised to the power 2, I mean. That means that 81 is 9 raised to the power 2. Then minus 80, square root of 80 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by 5. Because 16 multiplied by 5 is 80. Moving forward, you can agree with me that this square root symbol we cancel with the square, leaving us with the value 9 minus square root of 16 is 4. So that will make us to have 4 outside the square root sign, then square root of 5. Alright, this is what we have it. Now, moving forward, I can write 9 just like we did in the last video. 9 can be written as 5 plus 4. Then minus, this 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, then the square root of 5. Okay. But you see 4 can also be written as 2 raised to the power 2. That means we express that as 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. Now, also 5 can be put in square root form. And that means square root of 5 all raised to the power 2 is still 5. And 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. Then minus, I've already written here 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by the square root of 5. Good. That is a target. Remember, I have done similar video before now. And I'm doing this also again. Now, if I cancel square with the square root, it will give me exactly 5. So, it is written like this for a purpose. Now, let P be equal to 2. Okay? And let Q be equal to square root of 5. So anywhere I see Q, I will represent it, or anywhere I see square root of 5, I will represent it as Q. Wherever I see 2, I represent it as letter P. That means by substitution into this question now, I will have square root of 5, which is letter Q, then raised to the power 2, plus 2, which is now P. That becomes, for me, P raised to the power 2. Then minus 2, this is Q, 2 is P. Then 2P, then square root of 5 is Q. Very correct. Now, what this means is that it can be written as Q squared, okay, minus 2PQ, if you like, or P, 2PQ, or 2QP, because multiplication is commutative. Then plus P squared. Alright. But if I have A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, it is equal to A minus B all raised to the power 2. Okay? The expansion of this A minus B, that is A minus B times A minus B, will give us exactly A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Therefore, this can now be represented in this form, and that means I will have it written as Square root of q minus p all raised to power 2. But you can agree with me that the square root sign will cancel out with the 2, leaving me with q minus p. But then, q is square root of 5 and the p is just 2. So this is our final answer to the simplification that we are given, to the question that we are given to solve. Our answer is square root of 5 minus 2. If you find square root of 5, it can also give you 2 point something. By the time you subtract 2, you get 0 point something as the final answer in decimal or x. You can leave it like this. Thank you, dear friends. Keep watching my videos and sharing the videos. May God bless you.